Hi, good day everyone. Today I want to share something very simple but very powerful. Usahay makauna-una ta ba nga? Am I really enough? Kaya ba yun na ko ni? Why me, Lord? Why would God choose someone like me? There are times nga atong tanaw ng atong kaugalingon and we see all our weaknesses, our failures, our past, and our limitations. And sometimes we begin to think, maybe God cannot use us. But today, let us remind ourselves of this. We are chosen by God. Gipili ta sa Diyos, and we are chosen for a purpose. Jesus said in John 15:16, "You did not choose me, but I choose you." Dili kita ang unang nagpili sa Diyos. Ang Diyos ang nagpili kanato. God chose us. And He didn't wait for us to become perfect before He chose us. He chose us even before we realize what we could become. God chose us even with our weaknesses. Usahay, we think na kinahanglan una ta mahimong perfect before God can use us. We say, Lord, dili ko maayo, dili ko kabalo, gan pa kaayo kong weaknesses. Mas maayo pang uban kaysa nako. But listen, God doesn't call the qualified. He qualifies the called. Dili pasabot nga perfect ta mao nga gitawag ta sa Dios. Gitawag ta niya og siya ang muandam kanato. Our weaknesses does not cancel God's calling. Our past does not cancel our purpose. And our mistakes do not mean that God is finished with us. Our seasons have a purpose. Maybe we're in a difficult season right now. Maybe we're waiting. Maybe we're struggling. Maybe we're asking God, Lord, nganong kinahanglan man namon ni agian? But what if God is using this season to prepare us for our purpose? Every season has a lesson. Every experience can shape us. And the things we thought were wasted, God can still use them for His purpose. So don't despise the season we're in. God may be preparing us for something we cannot see yet. Don't let our insecurities speak louder than God. Sometimes, the biggest enemy of our calling is not the people around us. Sometimes, it's our own insecurity. We keep telling ourselves, I'm not good enough, I can't do it, I'm not talented enough, who am I to do this? But remember, God's choice is greater than our insecurity. Kung gipili ta sa Dios, dili natutugutan ngang atong fear ang mahimong final decision. Kung gitawag ta niya, He will give us the grace to do it. Kung gitagan ta niya og assignment, He will also provide what we need. The God who called us will sustain us. Our gifts have a purpose. Maybe God has given us a gift. Maybe we can sing. Maybe we can preach. Maybe we can teach. Maybe we're good at encouraging people. Maybe we know how to listen when someone is hurting. Maybe we have a heart for people. Let's not underestimate what God has placed inside us. Because our gifts are not only for us. Our gifts can become a blessing to someone else. Our testimony can give someone hope. Our experience can encourage someone. Our voice can lead someone closer to God. There is a reason why God planted these gifts inside us. So today, let us ask ourselves, Lord, what have you placed inside us that you want us to use for your glory? Maybe we've been comparing ourselves to other people. Let's stop comparing. We don't need to be somebody else. We just need to become who God called us to be. Because God didn't choose us to copy someone else's calling. He chose us for our own purpose. So, if today we're feeling like we're not enough, let us remember this. We are chosen not because we're perfect, not because we have everything figured out, not because we're better than anyone else. We are chosen because God has a purpose for our lives. So, let's not be afraid of our calling. Let's not let our past define our future. Let's not let our insecurity become louder than God's voice. And instead of saying, I can't, let us say, if God called us, He will help us. If God chooses us, He will equip us. If God has a purpose for us, He will lead us.